Guys.
What is it?
Guys. You should answer me now. I'm just busy. I don't know girls are around this area for hookup.
Of course now.
Because the last one I tried contacting, she was in Jalingo. Eh? What's funny now?
You are even lucky. The one I met said she lives in Gogalada.
What?
Second one said up Weka. Far up Weka. That I should pay money for flight. You'll be mumu. I thought when she follow normal canoe, just normal boat come. She said no. Flight. There are no girls in this area. I don't understand. No girls in this area.
Why are you laughing now? Eh?
I'm laughing because all throughout my stay in this area, I have not experienced any girl scarcity before. Yes, now. Is it not everywhere? You think I'm lying? When I have the Bluetooth hookup chip installed inside my body, it's very easy. All I do is just place my order and she'll be here, one phone call away. No stress.
Oh, you want me?
Yes, I'm not involved film. I'm serious. I'm not joking. You're laughing. Alright, now let me show you.
Your Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Searching. One hookup found.
Perfect.
Hookup details. Sexy pass. 2 kilometers away. Gigantic yash. Average booby. Cassava legs. Accept or decline. Accepted.
I just made my request.
Just wait, she's coming.
Who is that? Come inside.
Hello.
Hello, darling.
I got your Bluetooth request.
I requested for you. Come and see that.
Are you ready for business?
Who am I not ready for business? When they come closer. Leave. Come and sit down. Come and sit down.
Condition o wetara onwe mgbe ọlagalaga chụọkwa ajụjụ abazụlelelo o jire mmengwugwu onwe detụtụrụ nwaanyị na-eji ya ezi sụọ ịnya anyị lebere ikpe na nwisi olumere.
You are all welcome to Agidiba Bluetooth Hookup Installation Center. Trust me, this Bluetooth installation is not painful. It is just like your normal tattoo. Once you register over here, you go over there for your Bluetooth installation. You can also tell your friends and family to come and register for fast and easy means of communication. There's no problem.
Gender?
There.
What kind of women do you like?
Sexy and nice shape. Next person. Thank you very much.
Me.
Ziki Momentum.
What kind of women do you like?
Big booty girls.
Next person. What is your name?
Wanta Woodward.
What kind of women do you like?
Tall, nasty girl.
Next person. What's your name?
It's an adjuster.
What kind of men do you like?
Slim, tall guys.
God bless you.
Name.
Mark J.
What kind of women do you like?
Light skin girl.
Oh, thank you very much, young man. Next person. Name.
Breezy.
AKA. What kind of women do you like?
Anything that's scared. You be mumu.
You are an animal. Next person. Name.
Afro Langs.
What kind of women do you like?
Fat, slim, sexy, shapeless.
You can go.
They go young one this year. They go young one.
Man, they go see. Look to this year, man.
Make sure you use the manual and the so you know how to use the watch and the Bluetooth together. Agidiba and Sons, we are making more money this year.
Oh wow, Papa! Wow, Papa! Wow, Papa! Wow, Papa! Yada nala yago wow! Wow, Papa!
Incoming hookup request. Sexy La Posh. Instagram Twitter. Account private. 1 kilometer away. Accepted. Abby Dickbad and Science.
Let me just arrange my. So this have the speed. So today I'm going to today. Wait, let me go before she comes. Let me go for my sexy one. This is smart.
I am sexy La Posh. Come on now, take me inside.
You be mumu. I'll go find my girl. They come.
Dog, come here.
Finish him. In this country, you don't practice things like this. Eh? You don't practice things like this. Eh? Things like this are not good for you. Eh? It's not good. Just change. Try and change, eh? Change.
That's the reason why you want to kill me.
No, I'm only trying to change you. Don't you see how decent you look now? But the next time I see your request, or I mistakenly order you, and you accept, I will beat the living daylight out of you. I will still beat you. But sorry, just sorry. Go.
I will.
Sorry. May the good Lord be with you. Oh? Sorry. Hey. Come on, take this thing out of here. Nonsense.
Let down, I will punish you.
Wow, Papa! Wow, Papa! Wow, Papa! Wow, Papa! Yada nala yago wow! Wow, Papa! Hello, wow!
Coming!
Wow!
Coming. You be mumu.
Come back here. Come here. Did you enter the wrong house?
Baby, relax.
Okay.
Meet my kids. Guys, meet your stepdad.
Oh my God.
I got your Bluetooth request.
What?
You're welcome, mister. Thank you. So happy to have you here. I'm Monty. I've been lonely for the past 5 years. Hope you're ready to take her. Do you love her? Do you love her?
You be mumu.
Do you know I'm talking to you? I love her.
Calm down! You are hitting your stepdad.
What? Like mom?
Yes?
Mom is in love. As last, mom don't find stepdad for me.
Stepdad.
Mommy.